revise balik apa yang kita belajar tadi. Okey, saya balik kepada sini tadi. Okey, kalau you practice, saya harap you practice. Minggu depan saya nak add gambar pula. Hari ini saya, okey, contoh ini page yang kedua. Page yang kedua yang saya nak buat.
Oh, you belum add page TV ini TJ. You belum ajar add page.
Okey, add page nampak tak ni bawah ni? Saya delete yang ni Nampak ni ada wording add page bawah ni.
Mana? Oh, mana add page mana?
Ni kan pink color ni bawah ni ada add page.
Ni.
Dekat sini.
Yang ni.
Bawah sekali.
Yang ni apa?
Okey, I add page
Okey.
Dan ni kan pink color I tukar untuk jadi white balik.
Kenapa?
Nak buang kan.
Nak buang apa?
Kalau nak buang page tu kan yang delete tu. Yang gambar tu sampah.
Ada gambar tong sampah tu nak buang boleh buang. Kalau nak add page, you add page.
Okey.
Color you nak tukar, klik dekat page ni, you boleh tukar color putih ataupun you nak tukar color grey. Contoh, saya punya page nombor 2 saya nak pakai color grey. My second page I want to use grey color. Example, I choose grey lah. If I want to put white, I can put white. If I want to use darker grey, I can put darker grey. Example Okay, now you tengok I ajar dah sama juga. I click heading, I click text, I put heading. Now I put here as my this is my book title. I love to read. Example. Okay. Who is the author? Okay, I put subheading. Okay, then the author is, I put as Mr. Allen. Allen is the author.
TJ, this one is page 2
Yeah, page 2.
Okay.
Let's say I put Alan Piet Pascal. C-A-U-L, right, sir?
Yes, another.
Correct, Okay, this is Alan Pascal, the author. Okay, and I put right below. I want to change Alan name to a different font. Okay, I want to make it cursive. Saya nak ubah dia jadi macam signature. Okay, example, this is Alan. I don't like this, then I change to this. Okay. Example. Can drag. Okay, and then I can put another here. Okay, then I want to change the font. Saya klik sini, saya nak tukar font, saya tukar font. See? Example This is example. Okay, I want to change this to a different color. I change this color. So boleh mudah insert, change color, change font, change text color, change size. I want to make it bigger or I want to make it something different. This all depends on your creativity. I want to make it like this. Okay, I want to make it like this also can. This all depends on your creativity. Okay, kita boleh eksperimen. Okay, then let's say I nak buka ni tukar lain color. Okay, I want to put pink. Then I want to put pink color. Okay. By Alan Pascal. So these are some of the example that you can create your own design. Okay, let's say this one, you want to make it big. A very simple one, you want to make this thing bigger. Okay, and then you want to make this pink red color bigger. Simple design. So it all depends on your creativity, how you want to make it. Okay, let's say this one you want to shift like this, and then you want to put at the side here. So you can change anywhere. Okay, you can make a design. You see, you click here, there's a shift. You can bend this way, you can put like that. As your own design. Up to you. Okay. Boleh kah? Can? Okay, now I want to change background. I want to change different color background. So what I did is, I go to this template, I click this. Okay, I click and then I change the color. So I want to change to this color, gray color, darker color. I want to change to purple. I want to change to green. Saya nak tukar color ni, saya nak tukar color ni, background dia. Okey, ataupun saya nak tukar background yang cantik. Saya nak pakai background ni. Saya nak pakai background ni. Terpulang pada, there's so many. So saya nak you explore. Saya nak you explore. Okey, Canva ni banyak you boleh ubah. Contoh you nak tukar ni color jadi hitam. Practice dulu. Dia macam-macam. One design can change so many things. Okay, you want to change this to pink, purple. So play around. Okay, then you want to change your design. Ada soalan dari Pak Marfi? Sebenarnya Canva memudahkan kita. Dia ada beribu-ribu design. You boleh tukar je you nak pakai apa. Dan design-design dia menarik. So the design, there are so many design, very easy. Yang penting you tahu taruh macam mana nak taruh teks. Ni yang simple. Boleh Ada soalan lagi? So hari ni apa yang kita belajar? Tag sama tukar background.